Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to use Google Collection to save images or photos from a web page without any stress, or everything will be done right here on your phone. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Google search. Having opened up your Google search, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and look for a particular website image that you want to save to the collection. Like for instance, if I click on search right here and I go ahead and search for a particular website, so I can decide to search for CNN and then hit on search, just like so. Now, once I open up the site, so I can decide to click on the cnnedition.com right here, then the site is loaded up right here. Okay, now let's say for instance I found a particular image that I want to save to collection from this web page. So what we want to do right here is to select the image. Like for instance, this particular image right here, we want to save it to the collection. So how do we do that? Only the image. Go ahead and click and hold down on the image, and this is going to pump up right here. Next thing you want to do, and this is going to pump up right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on save to Google right here. And this is going to pump up right here. It has been successfully saved right here. You can decide to create a collection for some of the images that you'll be saved from different web as this case may be successfully. So once you save the image, you can see view saved. You can click on view. This allows you to see all the images that you have been saved so far into your collection. Go ahead and click on collection right here. You see another images right here. View all images, and the one you just saved is going to be found right here. Okay, and then alternatively, for you to see all saved images, you can easily come to the top right here, click on these three dots. So once you click on these three dots right here, then go ahead and click on view saved. Then here you go, you have collections right here. Go ahead and click on collections, and then you have them right here. So this is the image we just saved right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use Chrome search, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.